Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw dressing. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with a good quality mayonnaise as your base. Then, add some apple cider vinegar for tang and a bit of granulated sugar to balance the flavors. Freshness truly makes a difference, so choose your ingredients carefully for a delicious result. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to mix. In a medium bowl, combine the mayonnaise, vinegar, and sugar, whisking until smooth. This is where you can really make it your own. Taste and adjust the sugar and vinegar until you achieve your desired balance of sweet and tangy. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, let's talk about customizing your dressing. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It provides a wonderful, zesty kick. If you love that classic deli coleslaw taste, a half teaspoon of celery seeds is a must. Don't be afraid to experiment with other vinegars, like white wine vinegar, to find your favorite variation. For the best results, always chill your coleslaw dressing for at least 30 minutes before mixing it with your cabbage. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Any leftover dressing can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. It's perfect for meal prep. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to that book and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.